Welcome to another amazing 5-minute auto pairing. Okay, let's see what happens here. Talshirov. Let's go with, I'm tempted for D5. No, let's just do this. He's inspired me with Talshirov as the nickname. I wonder if I can play like Tal or Shirov. Okay. G3 how? Just Bishop D3, Bishop E2. If he wants to try and win this pawn, I'll probably get some compensation. He's not really going to take that, is he? No. Okay, so it's king still in the centre. What about just F4, F5? Try and weaken his squares. So D5 is being weakened. Can I do anything with that yet? Nope. Maybe rook F3 to H3. Let's get this rook to H3. Okay, so things are looking more interesting. Right, so if I take and then Queen H5, that looks pretty juicy. Oh, he's got Bishop F5. Aha. Yeah. Not so clever at the moment. Don't really want the queen exchange. Oh, Bishop E7, if he gave me the chance. Bishop here, try and get something going. Try and get something going with H5. So King H8, Rook G6, Knight F8, H5. Oh, there's some problems to solve. Oh, good to get this knight somehow in the attack. So there's Rook F3 with tempo if I needed it. Maybe that is handy. Oh, Queen D1 check here to win the rook would have been embarrassing. Knight can come to D2 here. Can I put it anywhere useful? To F1 to E4 later. F1 to G3, no, F1 to E3. Okay, now HG is looking interesting for G7. So can I play knight e4 after? Knight e4 now, the knight is sort of coming in a little bit. Actually, rook, not yet, rook g6. Knight d6, there's always a check. I want to put my king away somewhere. Yeah, I think he's sort of messing this game up at the moment, somewhat. So knight g5 here, not knight d6. It's queen c5 check, but knight g5 here. And then, right, so what's cooking? Rook g3, rook f5, nope. Knight h7 for queen g6. It does pin that guy, he's got numerous checks to get out of that pin. Knight takes, check. Then he wins the rook. I don't think I can see anything there. Knight e6. Hang on. There's knight e6 here, and there's no check on either. Doesn't seem to be a majorly useful check available. In fact, rook g8, maybe there's almost takes here for this. Yeah, I think that works. Queen h7 for rook h3. Does that actually work? Takes, check. Knight here. I think that kind of works.
Check.
Doesn't it? Yeah, he really messed this game up. Totally.
Check.
Totally messed it up. I played a very sloppy game there, but neat at the end, I guess. Yeah, so if he does this, then it's
checkmate.
Yeah, let's see how bad the engine was laughing at this game. It really was. I think from my perspective, as though I was playing horrifically. Okay, it's not more than a pawn on the bright side. So this wasn't a particularly apparently a good move. Knight d5, not rook f3 though. So, yep. So he's just better here, but yep. So this was blundering. So queen g4, it's still horrible, and this is just -5 nearly. That's how bad the engine thinks of this game. Yeah, it's just like -5, -8. Yeah, okay. I think I've got to go anyway. So, all right, I'll speak to you.
Check.
That's it. Until the next game. Thanks very much. Comments or questions on YouTube.